my name is Muhammad Isagame bin Mazuki. My matric number is 10DKM21F1098. I am worker at service center.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Afiq Aflah bin Azhar. My matric number is 10DKM21F102. My character is as a sailor.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Sahih Sayuti bin Muhammad Ali. My matric number 10DKN21F1006. My character as buyer.
Hello sir, welcome to the Xiaomi store. Can you see?
Okay, thank you.
Okay sir, may I help you?
I come today because I want to find a new phone.
Oh, okay sir. May I know your budget?
So my budget to get a new phone below 2,000.
Okay sir, in this store I have recommend to you these two phone. This is a Poco F3.
Okay.
Xiaomi Poco F3, and this phone is Xiaomi 10 Lite.
Okay, for your recommend, what the price of this phone?
Okay, in my right side is Poco F3. The price is 1,500 ringgit. And in my left side is Xiaomi Mi 11T. The price is 1,600 ringgit. So sir, what do you like to use for? Like gaming or photography, and normal daily use?
I would like to for a gaming.
For gaming. Okay. For the gaming, the spec on the two phone is similar. Just the difference is on the CPU processor. That in my left is octa-core max 2.4 GHz, but in this my right left is octa-core max 3.2 GHz. And the battery, in this phone, the battery is 5,000 mAh. You can use a very long time. You can use it. You can use from the morning to the night. So you just one day you just only charge is one. So your electric bill must be safe. Okay, I would like to add this phone is this phone come with fast charging with 333 volt. That you can just charge it only 1 hour. That phone is fully charging.
Okay sir, what the new feature have at this phone?
Okay sir, the new feature they have in this phone is firstly this. In the right side of this handphone have a fingerprint sensor that is very useful to people. Is we can just unlock the handphone less than 3 seconds. So yes, we can save the time. And the second is face unlock. Yeah, face unlock only can so. The other that is Type-C charging, that fast charging that I talked about later. And this phone come with a double SIM. You can use double SIM in one time. That you can use the line lah. So if this one line cannot use, you can use another line. So it's very useful to people. Okay, and the phone, in this phone have a dual speaker. You can see at down and up. That is this speaker the brand is stereo speaker. The voice is very sharp and loudly. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for explanation of the spec. So I want to know about the feature of camera.
Okay, you can see the difference between these two picture. This, for me, this is better because the brightness is medium and just nice. But this picture is the brightness is very high, and this picture is sharp, and this picture is smooth, so non-realistic for me. Action.
Okay, thank you for explanation. So can I see the phone?
Can. You take this or this.
Okay.
You can choose.
So I take this phone because the have fully have my own characteristic for the phone. So I take this phone lah.
Okay. Okay, thank you sir for you choose my store to buy a phone. This is your receipt for that phone.
Okay, thank you.
Over 1 month later.